welcome back to Well Keeping Moms. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cream, sort of champagne color eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the color that I'll be making today. It's a very light, I guess you could call it champagne or cream colored. It's got some shimmer to it. Here's our container. We're going to start with our white scoop. And we're going to put in 2 scoops of our eyeshadow base. Okay. And then we're going to take the scoop that we use for color and we're going to put in a scoop of cream. This is the color blend from the kit. And we're going to put in a scoop of orange. Okay. Now we're going to take our stirring stick and we're just going to stir and stir and stir until all the white flecks are gone. Now let's see what this looks like. You can see that color. It's a very peach and skin tone color. Okay. Now I'm going to take my white scoop and I'm going to add a scoop of our sparkle white. And we're going to stir that in. You can see how that lightens up the color some, and it gives it some sparkle. Okay, now I'm going to apply it to my hand and see what I get. See how the color is actually a good deal lighter unless you put it on thick like I am. I'm trying to get it so that you can see it very well. But isn't that just a gorgeous color? Now we can just dump this in our little clear bag that you also got in your kit and save it for later. The fun part about this though is that you get to name all your colors, so go ahead and have fun naming your colors whatever you want. I would love for you to share your pictures on my Facebook page and tell me the names that you've named your colors. And we always clean our tools after we use them. So I'm going to go ahead and take all of the tools that I've used and I'm going to spray them with alcohol. This is just straight alcohol. I'm just going to wipe them down. I always want them clean for the next project.